state-of-the-art infrastructure, a highly skilled manpower, infused with determination and efficiency. Forge Auto International, a pioneer in advanced and professional auto engineering, with a focused business interest, with a core strength of more than 500 competent employees. Ever since our establishment in the year 2001 in Ludhiana, Punjab, North India, Forge Auto International has been a professionally managed company spread over an area of 1,30,000 square feet. We are an ISO 9001, 14001, an IATF 16949, OSAS 45001 certified company, while holding a Z rating. We pride ourselves on possessing a variety of manufacturing facilities for forging and machining components. We are recognized as one of the prime suppliers for more than 400 different product items of OEMs for manufacturing tractors and various other automobiles such as railways, engineering equipments. Additionally, we're exporting products to several countries globally, including Poland, Germany, Denmark, Turkey, Brazil, and European countries. At Forge Auto International, advanced CAD/CAM technology-driven solid modeling softwares are used to develop new components and designs as per customer requirements to achieve customer satisfaction. The lead time from development to regular production is reduced via the usage of 3D printers, and after receiving the raw material and its visual inspection, each and every raw material is tested physically using a spectrometer. Once the raw material becomes a part of our inventory, it's cut, forged, heat-treated, tested, to get delivered. We manufacture a full range of carbon and alloy steel forged products from a minimum of 1 kilogram to a maximum of 22 kilograms. Our vision is to become a global player by achieving unparalleled excellence in value-based manufacturing of automotive components. We firmly believe that the highest level of client contentment is key to the success of every organization. That is why we ensure that each requirement of our client is timely met. We at Forge Auto International follow all the principal standards, like 5S, Kaizen, and Poker Yoke, among others. We have our die shop in-house, where all the dies are manufactured on VMC machines. We pride ourselves on having 6 different lines of hot forging, with capacities ranging from 1 ton to 2.5 tons. Provisioning to our ongoing additions, we have commissioned 2 lines of press forging of 1,000 metric tons and of 1,600 metric tons. We follow a client-centric approach while maintaining timeliness in our deliveries and assuring optimum quality products at competitive pricing. Our isothermal annealing furnace is connected to our hardening and tempering facility with oil and polymer quenching. Our metallurgical lab is equipped with image analyzers and hardness testers to examine the microstructure along with the hardness of components. Forged components are cleaned by automatic shot blasting machines, then fettled and undergo 100% inspection through Magnaflux crack detecting machines. Our machine shop is fully equipped with all types of conventional and special feature machines, accompanying many CNC turning centers and VMCs. We have generated adequate flexibility to cater for fluctuating customer requirements. Our machine shop also comprises of broaching machines, cylindrical grinders, duplex milling machines, VMCs, CNC SPM drilling machines, and identification marking. All our products undergo pre-dispatch inspection. We take pride in being associated with India's leading tractor and automobile brands. While manufacturing in India, our export business of forged and machined components to the world markets is also expanding as Tier 1 and Tier 2 suppliers. Our management philosophy is proactive and is based upon knowledge sharing along with continual improvement culture. That is why the motivation of our employees is of key importance to us. Thereby, we lay great emphasis on creating an inclusive workplace environment by performing yoga and taking meditation sessions in order to keep our staff at their optimum strength. On-job trainings are conducted often within our company. In today's competitive global scenario, our emphasis on sustainability allows us to expand our business while minimizing our ecological footprint. Great laurels and accolades have been awarded to our socially engaged and reliable company. Our vision to maintain eco-friendly standards remains consistent. We routinely represent ourselves at national and international trade fairs and exhibitions for direct interaction with our target audience. The output of Forged Auto International assuredly comes at par with our customer expectations. Ensuring consistent quality. Forged Auto International, known for forging excellence.